everyone, Aerospike99 here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial on how to launch the Mini Orion drone. Now, this is fairly easy once you get the hang of it, and all you're going to want to do to start is pick up the drone and locate under here by the power compartment this little switch right here. You're going to switch that on, and now as you can see, the drone lights are blinking. So once you do that, you're gonna set it back down, and then you're gonna pick up your control, and you're gonna flip this screen open. It's a little bit hard to pry open. Then you're going to turn on this switch up here, and now as you can see, there'll be a little bit of static, and you can see through the camera on the drone. I'm gonna point it back over here, and as you can see, I can see with the drone camera. So now that you know that's hooked up, what you're going to want to do next is turn the actual controller on with this middle switch up here. Just going to pop that open. And now the drone lights are still going to be blinking, as you can see. So what you're going to do with the left joystick, you're going to go down, up, down. And it will blink a couple times, and now you can see the drone lights are solid. So once they are solid, that means that the controller is connected, and now all you have to do to fly is hit the autopilot button down here, and the rotors will start spinning, and then you just have to move this joystick, the left one, up and down to make it move. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to lift it up a bit, and now you can control it. Oh, it's going out of frame. I accidentally just attacked myself. That's okay though. So that's how you launch it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and have an awesome day. And there will be a follow-up tutorial on how to actually fly this drone. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day, and please consider subscribing. Peace.